Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your devices are paired and charged, then pick the photo or album you want to use. Open Photos on your iPhone and choose single images or up to 10 for a rotating face. This matters because the watch imports from the paired phone. Once done, crop or edit each photo to center the subject and remove clutter so the face reads at a glance. Make sure you keep the photo resolution high for a crisp watch face. Next, you'll create the watch face itself. Tap a chosen photo in Photos, hit Share, then Create Watch Face, this shortcut setup. Pick the photo's style for full image display or kaleidoscope for effects, and place complications where they won't obscure key parts of the image. If you prefer more control, open the Watch app, go to Face Gallery, select Photos, then choose an album or individual images and tweak time, position, and complications. That way you ensure the layout. Finally, add the face to your Apple Watch and verify it appears the way you want. Tap Add in the Watch app or Confirm on the watch. Then customize complications and color either in the app or by pressing the watch face and selecting Edit. If faces rotate through multiple photos, make sure the chosen album is selected. If something looks off, blurry image or missing face, re-edit the photo, resync, restart both devices, and confirm both are updated. Often that fixes import issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.